Managing subscriptions on iPhone is essential to avoid unnecessary charges. Whether you want to cancel an app or service subscription, we're here to help. This will help you organize your apps. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Your Apple ID. Tap your name at the top of the screen. Step 3. Subscription. Scroll down and select Subscription. Step 4. Select Subscription. Click on the subscription you want to cancel. Step 5. Cancel Subscription. Click Cancel Subscription or Cancel All Services. We don't have a service here, so there's no need to cancel the connection. If you need to cancel a subscription, just click on that subscription and select Cancel according to the instructions available on the iPhone. Final step. Confirm. Confirm your cancellation decision. Here we want you to have a clean account, without unnecessary costs or services or applications that need to be unsubscription. We wanted to give you a tech tip, specifically about an iPhone feature, that's really useful for you. Hope you have a useful feature to use. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos on AnHome Tech channel.